Every Rolls-Royce begins with raw materials. Bauxite ore is refined into aluminum, creating the lightweight metal that forms the foundation of the vehicle. The aluminum ingots are rolled into precision sheets, engineered for strength, durability, and luxury vehicle construction. Powerful stamping presses transform flat aluminum sheets into the elegant body panels that define the Rolls-Royce design. Advanced assembly systems and skilled technicians build the lightweight aluminium body structure with remarkable precision. Multiple layers of premium paint are applied and polished to create the deep, mirror-like finish expected from Rolls-Royce. Precision machining centers manufacture thousands of engine components with microscopic accuracy. Expert technicians assemble the powerful V12 engine, delivering effortless performance and smooth operation. Premium leather is carefully selected and handcrafted into luxurious seating and interior surfaces. Natural wood veneers are handcrafted and polished to create the elegant interior details found inside every Rolls-Royce. The handcrafted interior transforms the cabin into a masterpiece of luxury and comfort. The completed V12 engine is carefully integrated into the vehicle, connecting power, electronics, and drivetrain systems. Suspension, braking systems, and wheels are installed to deliver the signature Rolls-Royce ride quality. The iconic Starlight Headliner is installed, adding one of the most recognizable features of the Rolls-Royce experience. The legendary Spirit of Ecstasy is installed, completing the vehicle's iconic identity. After rigorous testing and inspection, the finished Rolls-Royce Phantom emerges as a symbol of luxury, craftsmanship, and engineering excellence.